Hello guys, I hope you're doing great. In this short video. I'm going to show you how to recover your permanently logged Snapchat account on iPhone. So before showing you the procedure to regain access to your permanently logged Snapchat account on iPhone, let me tell you something. It may happen sometimes that you did something that you shouldn't have done according to Snapchat policies, rules, and regulations. So as a result, your account may get permanently logged. So let me show you what to do about it on your iPhone. Just open the browser of your choice. For example, I have Safari. If you have Chrome or any browser, you can open it. It's Open Safari. Ignore it. On Google search bar, you have to type Snapchat support. Press enter. Here you can see the Snapchat support website. Just open it. Okay, scroll this page and click on Troubleshooting. Hey, you have to select Login and New Account Troubleshooting. Here we go. Check your username, password, internet connection. Nope, nope, nope. And root no. Reactivate Snapchat account may be locked. This is the option we're looking for. Here you can see these two options, yes or no, in front of need. Help with something else. Obviously, I've got my Snapchat account logged, so I need some help. Click on Yes. Here you can see this few options presented to you by support.snapchat.com. Some of us may see the option that my account was locked. Now, you don't want to select that option as it will immediately give a bad notion that you did something wrong, which you shouldn't have done, and your account was logged. So support.snapchat.com will not do anything for you. So here you have to select this option. I think my account was hacked. Okay, so here you have to write your username, email, mobile number. And what information should we know? Here in this box, you have to tell about your problem to Snapchat support team. You can be more creative. It's just random. Okay, let's try it. Click on Done, and from here, you have to click on Send. And in 2 to 3 business days, support.snapchat.com is going to connect you on your provided email. And hopefully they may resolve your issue. Okay guys, that was it for today. I really hope that you love this video, and if you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this really beautiful and awesome channel.